Y'all gotta hear this bit, boy. Good lord. Look at my boy. What's up? That bit tough, bro. Damn.
My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger. My heart is cold as Wisconsin. Ice. Nigga, I'm smooth like Johnson. Lotion. You already know how I'm coming. I treat her like trash, so I dumped them. In them sheets, I am a monster. She be screaming like a concert. I point them out just like a hunter. They call you a G when you younger.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats, man. Back with another POV, as y'all can see. We got my boy right here, man. AJ, man, with, you know what I'm saying? He just got some new stuff did. Y'all go follow my boy. Y'all go follow my boy, man. But too hard, cuz too hard. And he got the red guts in that bit. Oh yeah, I started that bit now. I said I started the video now. I gotta get the outside of it, everybody whip. Y'all gotta hear this bit, boy. Good lord. Look at my boy. What's up? That bit tough, cuz. Damn. Y'all hear that chop, man? Cuz ready to get on some ass. That nigga ready to get on some ass. Let's see my boy, man. That bit chopping, bro. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about that. That bit hard, cuz. That's it, fire. Then you got a new version. This is a little brother right here. Cause you younger, you know. Hey, at least you got a sunroof, he don't. Damn, huh? Oh yeah, they got red seats in that bitch. Then you got Olivia, you know what I'm saying? We finna just cruise. I don't know where we're going. But I don't know where we're going, car crew. So we finna get with it, cause I'm gonna cut my car. I had no idea where we going. We get 12. That ain't 12 in the neighborhood. Don't even know if it's gonna go down. Come on, man. Y'all boy do something, man. We ready. We ready, cuz. Bro, I know that mother sound crazy. Bro, listen to that bitch. That bitch sound crazy. I don't know why my car spitted like that. That mother said spit. But yeah, that's a manual, by the way. I ain't tell y'all, I forgot. That's a manual, cuz. Just to let y'all know. Y'all wondering why. I mean, for those that don't know about cars, why it shifted like that, it's a manual. You know what I'm saying? You gotta shift it yourself. But that mother sound crazy. Try to get a little pops in. Hold on. Too crazy. Cruising through the city. Bro, his downshifts is insane. I barely can hear him, but I heard it. Man. Ooh. If this Honda would get out of the way, damn, I'm finna go around there as fast as I am. Bro, oh my lord. But this Honda finna blow me, bro. Y'all hear Olivia popping? I felt that in the floorboard. Y'all hear them pops. I ain't even talking, y'all. I'm just driving, my bad, but I really ain't gotta talk that much, you know what I'm saying? Soft, them baby down shifts. You know what I'm saying? Them baby down shifts, cuz. Do y'all hear that, bro? Bro, listen to that. I've been sitting up too high, bro. My bad. I'm just like literally driving, y'all, just holding the camera. My bad. I ain't even started the video all right for real, but y'all make sure I hit that like button, man. You know what I'm saying? Put a little POV to wherever we going. Or it could be a little vlog. I don't know. Yes, we finally behind them. Dang. I want y'all to hear this bit. Listen to this bit, bro. Crazy. Sound performance. Sound like performance shifts. I got my boy AJ in the back. I can't I see my boy, man, in the back. Yeah, my boy Dan, man. That mirror, that must sound good, cuz. I want to hear him really open it up, though. I know that mug get wicked. I know it get wicked, boy. When you really open it up. Right now, we just, you know, this some baby junk, you know what I'm saying? We just chilling. But that's music. I ain't even gotta talk, just listen. Yeah, man. Just imagine if Olivia had a cam. How y'all think that sound? Huh? That nigga cut his cam off? What the hell? That bitch just got quiet as hell. Get it. That scared me a little bit. It ain't scared me, but I ain't expecting to do that. I guess you seen my my camera. I'm just showing y'all a different little view, man. While we saying we don't need a long behind light. I'm finna cut the camera. I'll be trying to keep all this stuff in one video. You know what I'm saying? So I can just edit it like that instead of keep adding clips. But it might have to be one I gotta edit, y'all. Traffic is crazy, bro. Rolling, finally. Boy said he had to come get something to eat. I ain't hungry, I am. My little Audi. Hell no. I'm about to look through my phone trying to back up, but I ain't drunk. These boys out there been cutting up, cuz. Got the supercharged Audi. Ugly. Hey, dude. What you do to it, dude?
You got a tune on it.
They got a ghost cam on that bitch.
Ghost cam, let's go.
Good at ghost cam. Shit.
I ain't trying to get us some shit. What's up?
That bitch, wing,
I she playing some shit from
hell no. That bitch came through revving that bitch. Wing, wing, wing. Yeah, nah, that bitch hard though. That bitch hard. It's Oh yeah, appreciate it.
Someone got a club going or something?
No, we just kicking it.
Yeah, nah, we just riding around. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, appreciate it, bro. That's That makes shit hard though. Shit fire. No glazing, That makes shit hard.
No deaking.
Yeah. Shit fire. Yeah. And don't hold ride though. No, I seen one of the whole race. Don't hold fire. You put a tune on that bitch, a downpipe?
No, I got
not downpipe for
racing team. One of my homies on that.
What?
He pushed just power out there.
Oh yeah. I know that bitch. You said it hot, bro?
Yeah.
I don't want nothing to eat. I just ate not too long.
Go take your bit.
Huh?
Go take
Man,
your
chill out. Them boys matching, bro. Down to the socks.
Down to the no socks.
I ain't gonna lie, they clean the hell to be walking. Clean the hell. I ain't been in this Zest in so long.
Hey, Nick. Buy me some so I can not eat it.
Damn. I thought he was gonna say to not eat it and take it home. That bitch said throw it in the trash. Look at that man. Look at this man.
Cajun Club Grill?
Yeah, they're trying to turn it into Applebee's. Hold on, man. Let me get y'all with a thumbnail right quick. I gotta get y'all boys a thumbnail. This is a hard little thumbnail right here. It's a hard little thumbnail right there. I'm gonna get one like this too though. Y'all let me know which one y'all favorite, bro. Which one y'all favorite? You got these two? Oh man. You got these two. That shit is kind of fun though. I ain't even think about that. Fats, they got the charger. Damn, that's crazy. We gotta get some reels in, cuz. Fats, we gotta get some reels in. But y'all, let me know, bro. I'm just trying to show y'all, boy. Look at this nigga. I'm trying to show y'all, boy. You know what I'm saying? Show off the whips. You feel me? Show off the whip, man. I see my boy got that thing. Boy got that thing right, man. I see me. You know what I'm saying? Something cool. Nothing too crazy. Then you got my boy. Yeah, man. Trim. Now let me know if y'all want to see more video like that, bro. Ooh. Y'all let me know if y'all want to see more video like that. That mother's so tough. Damn, well, he got some curb. Somebody hit the hell out of the curb. And that bitch. But yeah, man, I'm finna end the video off right here, man. The video long enough, man. Make sure y'all boy hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me, man. And yeah, I ain't really got too much else to say, man. Keep God first, keep him in the mix. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boys stay prayed up. Like I also said on the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.